What's up guys, welcome to Superpower Style. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about makeup. You guys know about my love for all things makeup. I am obsessed. But have you noticed when we talk about makeup, we talk a lot about color match, shade match for foundation, contour, compact, whatnot. How come we never talk about perfect lip color match? Seriously, think about this. A lot of times you are wearing your perfect colored lipstick, you're very happy, you just want to add a tinge of gloss. The moment you put on your gloss, you realize that it's washing out the color of your lipstick. Sometimes you just want to wear a little bit of gloss, for that plumped up, nice looking lips. But the moment you wear your gloss, you're like, it's not matching with my outfit or it's not matching with my skin tone. Finding the right lip color match, especially when it comes to lip glosses, is so hard. So I recently came across this range from Swiss Beauty, which is a Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss, and I have a whole range of shades, guys. I love that the packaging is so cute, so compact, and it's very, very handy, guys. So off late, what I do is, whenever I'm wearing jeans, whenever I have a pocket basically in my dress, I'll just take one of these and slide it in my pocket because it's very compact, right? You can totally keep it in your pocket as well if you want. And whenever I want to add the shine, the gloss, make my lips look more plumped up, more full, I'll just take it out of my pocket, quickly apply it on my lips, and I'm good to go. It's very, very handy. You can reapply whenever you feel like it, and it's just fun to have like a makeup product in your pocket, right? So if I tell you honestly, I discovered this range only a while ago. It hasn't been a very long time, but I have been obsessed, guys. These lip glosses are actually very handy. They can be used in a lot of ways. They have changed my makeup game truly in true sense of the term. So in today's video, I'll talk about how I use these lip glosses. What are different ways in which you can apply them. We'll talk about the shade range. Guys, I really want to talk about the shade range. So here's the interesting thing. When I actually found out about these lip glosses, that's the first thing I noticed. It actually comes in 12 shades. Yes, guys, 12 shades. So there is a shade for every skin tone, every mood, every outfit. Every time of the day, whatever you want to wear it for, really. If you want to match it with your lipstick, you get the perfect lip color match with this because there's like so many shades to choose from. So the shade range varies from reds to nudes to pinks. You have a little bit of everything, guys. And here's an interesting thing, it's all vegan. So let me show you this up close. It actually comes with a wand which makes for very easy, effortless application. The texture is weightless and super comfortable to wear. And do you see that glass-like glossy finish? It's absolutely amazing, right? Now before we move to all the 12 swatches, let me tell you they're actually tinted with color. So that makes it very, very versatile, guys. I'll just show you what are the 4 ways in which I have been using them. Number 1, as it is. On a lot of days, I will wear it as it is to add a little tint on my lips. The color adds a very natural, no makeup look, which like I told you, I'm a big fan of, so it works for me brilliantly. I usually reapply every few hours or whenever I feel like it really. It just helps to keep my lips moisturized longer as well. A lot of times, you'll also find me wearing this with a lip liner. This actually makes the lips look even more full and adds a lovely natural tint to the lips. And it's just so flamboyant, so awesome, right? Number 3, this is how I often seem to be wearing it, especially when I'm going out for parties, when I want to look a little extra, when you want a little extra in your makeup, that is to wear it with a lipstick. Or when I'm shooting my videos, or just when I want to have a little fun, I will wear it over a matching lipstick to just kind of accentuate the color really well while making my lips super glossy. And last but not the least, I love the Korean lip trend, so I often wear it with a lip liner and then I add some color on the center of my lips and then blending it in with the gloss. Press your lips so that the color can actually mash up for that beautiful gradient diffuse look. And there we have it, the beautiful Korean style. The products are so versatile, they're designed for long wear, very, very comfortable. And like I said, it's all about doing your own thing, having fun with colors, having fun with makeup. In fact, even right now, as I speak to you guys, I'm wearing the Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss. Do you see how it makes my lips look fuller, plumped up? It completely transforms the lips to make it pouty and add that gloss. It's so gorgeous, guys. So let me quickly swatch all these shades for you guys and take you through them one by one. So starting with the shade 04 Brownie Point, for all those of you who love your browns and also your nudes, is the perfect match. Then I have with me the shade 12 Paint the Town. It's just the most amazing shade of orange, especially for the Indian skin tones. Then I'm wearing the shade 06 Spicy Cinnamon for a hint of pink with a hint of nude. Then I'm wearing the shade 10 Popsicle for a nice, fun, bright, vibrant pink color with a hint of red. Then I'm wearing the shade 02 Caramel Crush. As you can see, it's a beautiful caramel shaded nude. Then I have with me the shade 08 Deep Desire for all those of you who love your plums and browns. Then I'm wearing the shade 11 Pink Sin for a bright, fun hint of pink on a reddish tinge. Next is shade 03 Kinda Naked. I love how it is a beautiful shade of nude, perfect for all Indian skin tones. Then I have the shade 09 Berrylicious for a berry red with a slight hint of pink. Then I have with me the shade 05 Mauve Muse, which, like the name itself, is a beautiful shade of mauve. Then I'm wearing the shade 01 Barely There for all those of you who love your minimalistic no makeup look. And finally, I have with me the shade 07 Date Night for a little bit of everything. If you ask me what's my favorite shade, honestly, a lot of it depends on what I'm wearing, what I'm in the mood for, just things like that. But on most of the days, I find myself wearing the shade number 01 Barely There, which I'm also wearing right now, because I am just someone who loves the no makeup look a lot, okay? And then, of course, the brand is Swiss Beauty. I am in love with this brand, guys. I'll tell you why, okay? Number one, the brand is so versatile. You can just do so much with the products, like we just saw today, right? It's all about long wear, comfortable wear, doing your own thing. And if you look very, very closely, the colors, the products are designed very mindfully, keeping the latest trends in mind. What you're likely to want, what you're likely to look for in your makeup is designed really well. So personally, for me, I have been wearing these glosses a lot these days, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. It's been such a fun discovery. You can do so much with them. So guys, what I'll do is I will put all the links for these products in the description box below. You can check them out for yourself. If you have any comments, any questions, anything to share, please share them in the comment section below, guys. I love hearing from you all. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superhot Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.